What's up, guys? It's Jordan with Northern Cast. Today we had like a 95-degree day in Wisconsin, so it's about 7 in the afternoon, and I'm gonna go try to see if I can catch a couple fish.
Here we are. They are pretty tapped. There's a lot of fish. They got the green ones, and then they got like the garlic scented night crawlers. There's obviously a number difference, but I don't plan on doing a lot today, so I'm just gonna grab 12. There's literally an aisle full of gold right here, so we're gonna raid that too. This is great for pike. I really should grab this. I lost one yesterday, hunting one, but I think I'm gonna get some free lures soon, so I don't want to spend more on that yet. Got the goods. It is still hot out here, but we're gonna head to the water, and I think we're gonna have some luck. So we'll see when we get to the water. Peace. A few casts. The great thing about running weedless is that you can pretty much fish anywhere where there's like a large bed of vegetation like that. So we transferred to the ultralight simply because this is a new body of water, and well, new body of water for me, and oh wow, look at that right away. I just wanted to make sure there's life in here. Definitely in there. Ooh. What is it? What is it? What is it? Wow. Look at it, it's pregnant. Nice prego. It's always nice when you can keep hook painted worm. All in the same go. You gotta go back. Back she goes. I mean, like, I've literally upsized the last 3 fish once I've used the ultralight, so let's see if we can't get a bigger one. And somewhere out there. Ooh, something's on. Ooh, I'm on. So let's go. Dude, I'm catching all the species out here today. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, what is that? Hopefully there's a fish on the bottom. Ah, there it is. Just a small baby. Pretty guy. And he's off. That's where I was catching money last time. We're on. We're on, baby. Oh, I keep catching these smalls, man.